Thank you, OEG. Got the little ornament here from OEG, so I'm gonna hang this up. See what it looks like. Whoa! Also got a sticker. Receipt. All right. So it doesn't look like there's anything to hang it with, so gotta put something on here and we'll hang it. All right, so pretty light. Probably looks like it was printed or something. Also, first time the sticker's been bent. Decided to go with some string. Didn't use paracord or anything like that. Let me just toss it on here somewhere. Kind of hard to do with one hand. Hey, there you go.